Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn how to make URL short using processor in ServiceNow. And also we will learn how to create a processor and how exactly it will work in ServiceNow. So first let me open list of incidents. So here let's apply some filter for this list of incidents. Click on this filter icon. And the priority is planning. And state is closed. Let's run this filter. So currently we have 19 records with this filter. If you see here, this is called base URL and it is lengthy here. Now we are going to make this URL short using processor. So let's create one processor. Click on all and type as processor. Select this processor available under system definition. Click on new. Let's name it as test processor. So this is the name of our processor and type is here select as script. So let's uncheck these options here. And you have to mention the path here. Okay. So here we have to mention the path. Let's mention the path as hello world. And here we have to write our code. Redirect and take this URL. Paste it here. Now let's save this record. Here actually this is a base URL guys. Now we are going to replace this base URL with this path, with this hello world. Okay. So now let's copy this hello world. Let's remove this and click enter. See here again we got the list of records with this filter. So here it is redirecting to the URL which we write in script. So here in the script this is the URL, right? So it is redirecting to this URL. So now let's check in this URL also. So let's delete this and copy this path hello world and type it here. Let's click enter. See, see again we got the list of records which matches with this condition. Okay. So this is how we can make the URL short in ServiceNow. I hope this video will help you how to create a processor and why we use processor in ServiceNow. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.